So I found working with you was great because you gave me specific tips, not the general comments. Now I thought my resume was pretty good, and I thought my profile was pretty good, but you saw little gaps in it for what I was looking for. So you pushed and you followed up with did you do the homework? Did you get it right? And then you reviewed it. But again, you didn't do the work for me. You pushed me to do it. It's a little bit of uncomfortableness at the start, but when you finish, you're proud of what you did because now you read it both as an individual and as a hiring manager of things that I would have keyed on in the first place. But because it was your own content, sometimes you pass over it so quickly, you just assume it's there. Talking about yourself and trying to promote yourself, as much as I knew some keywords to say, yeah, like I said, it pushes you to be a little bit uncomfortable when you're on the other side of the hiring process, because now you're the one you got to sell yourself, and these are people that don't know you, don't know your career, so you have whatever a few minutes to get it across and hit the key points. Working with a consultant like yourself, you get a little specific and you ask the questions of what are you looking for, and you make sure those keywords or key content or key things that you're doing on LinkedIn or posting relates to what you're trying to do. And sometimes with the general content, or not actually many times with the general content, you don't get that. You get the stereotypical approach, which doesn't fit everybody. And I found right now we're in a very competitive market. The market's changing quite a bit right now, so it pays dividends to have you, somebody like yourself, gone out of the traditional jobs that existed many decades ago, where you get a job like in an IBM type company, and you end up staying there for 30 years. So apart from somebody might want to change careers, your job is not guaranteed. When you get laid off, you get your severance, you get your outplacement package. And I asked them if I could take whatever money that they had for the outplacement and get my own. Because when I was doing some research, I'd already gone through the outplacement. I knew the type of thing I was going for, but I wanted something more specific, more tailored to me. And what I really appreciate working with you is you took a personal interest in the person or myself, right? You didn't just hand me some content and said, go away. You stuck it, you challenged me to do a few things. Like I said, that were a little uncomfortable, updated my LinkedIn profile, and all those specific things worked for me.